I'm Nina, Bonina Brown, and you are now watching the Nina channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Pierre, aka Nina Bonina Brown, and I am with my beautiful niece. What's your name?
L. Monroe Jones.
Who gave you that name?
God.
Well, what are we doing for you today? What are we doing? What is this video about?
Makeover.
And what am I turning you to?
An African princess.
Oh, because you are black.
And I'm beautiful.
Stand up a little bit and show them your dress. Yep, see that, guys? She has all these beautiful little black princesses on her shirt. So, we are going to start the process. And then we'll ask Elle some questions while we're doing the makeup. And she can give y'all some of her schooling and gymnastics that she does. So, let's get to it. Why do you like makeup? Why do you want to do makeup?
Because it's beautiful.
But do you know that you're beautiful without makeup?
Yeah. Because I have, because I'm a beautiful black skin girl.
Exactly. So you don't need makeup. But you didn't. I thought you said you wanted to do makeup because I do makeup.
Ooh, and been saying that. Who said that?
Now she want to act. When I'm doing my makeup, why do you always come try to see me do makeup?
Because I wanted, join to do makeup with you.
Do you know why I do makeup?
Why?
Do you know what I do?
What?
You watch me what I do? What do I do?
You do Instagram and go do makeup.
Did you see me on TV?
Goodness, no.
You see me on TV doing drag. Do you know what drag is? It's when somebody like me changes their illusion, where I go from like me to different characters, and I try to look pretty like you, and it's just being artistic and creative. So that's why I do makeup, because it's fun and artistic. She's like, yeah, whatever.
I get it. So I'm in gymnastics and I do good, but pretty good kinda. But and I do some stuff. I do like some handstands and I do some cartwheels. And now I'm in school and I'm in research hall.
Wait, you do what? So what's your favorite thing to do in gymnastics?
Do handstands and cartwheels.
Cool. So what I'm putting on her face is primer. You always want to prime the skin when you start doing makeup and you get older. Primer is going to protect your skin from makeup so it doesn't get your skin all nasty and icky. Oh, tell them about my brushes.
Huh?
Tell them about my brushes.
Because they're nasty and icky.
Excuse you. No, you didn't. But she's not lying though. My brushes are disgusting. So, we're gonna start with some makeup.
So get into the video. Subscribe to our channels.
Thank you. She is so smart. Subscribe. And then if her video does good, we'll make her own channel.
And comment down below.
You know about saying comment down below? Just grown. She really doesn't need any kind of foundation, but I'm gonna try this color. This is a cheap makeup. This is LA Colors. And we're gonna see what this does. It feels funny. You're doing so good. You know why I pat it? I pat it so if you rub it, you're rubbing it off. So you want to pat it on.
So the makeup can so you can see the makeup really clear.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Mm-hmm. So I don't know, what kind of makeup to use on this little child, because you don't want them to start breaking out. So we're gonna just see what this does. Does it feel itchy or anything?
Nah.
Okay, good. Like, tell them about your sister. What's her name?
Her name is Ty, and she's 1 year old, and she's about to be 2, and she really knows how to walk and crawl,
Already, I know, she's so smart.
and she knows how to mess with my stuff.
What does she mess with?
She's messing with my
Everything?
Barbie. Yes, everything.
Turn this way.
Even my Barbie dollhouse.
Your Barbie doll house. What should be doing to it?
She's been shaking it.
Shaking it. Oh Lord. Well, when you, but it's nice that you're sharing with her. It's good to share.
Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't.
Why? It's not nice. And now we're gonna put a little powder to set. You want to put powder to set the cream so it doesn't disappear and it stays on all day. And you don't need this at all. We're gonna put a little concealer. Smile. What's one of your favorite things to watch on YouTube?
Cookies Real C.
What is that?
A show that they have toys.
Oh, cool. What kind of toys?
LOLs and
You like LOLs?
yeah, and Poopsie Surprise.
How many LOLs do you think you have? At home?
100,000.
100,000 million?
Yeah.
That's a lot of LOLs. Do you know how to swim? You know how to swim?
Yeah.
I'm jealous.
I do like this.
Okay. Who taught you that?
Papa. Blush. Blusher.
Do you know what blush is for?
Yeah.
What is it for?
Your cheeks.
You are too much. So that means smile. So I put a little bit of blush on the forehead too. That way it blends everything together. Everything looks like one.
So everything can look like one.
What do you think you want to do when you get older?
Just do makeup.
You sure? You don't want to be nothing else like your mom does hair? Or you want to do like anything else?
And do TikTok.
And do TikTok?
Yeah.
What are you going to do on TikTok?
Just dance.
Girl. Now we're going to move on to the eyes. Make them eyes sparkle. So what I'm putting on your eye is called primer. When you put primer on and you put your eyeshadow on, it makes it stick longer and last longer. You get it?
Yeah.
So what can you do with makeup? Like, do you know how to do any kind of makeup?
Yeah.
What do you do? Like what are you good at? You think you're good at doing?
Doing makeup and
But what part of the face are you good at?
Huh?
What part of the face are you good at on your face? Where you?
The
eyeshadow.
shadow.
Okay. Yeah, you did do that shadow that one time. Remember, Grandma was like, "Wow, who did that?" You did a good job. one day I'm gonna let you do my makeup. That'd be fun for a video. Yeah, the next video we do, you can...
I'm gonna do the best because I'm the best.
Do you know what MUA stands for? MUA stands for? Stands for makeup artist. So the M is makeup, and then, well, the M, so makeup, so MU, and then A is artist. So that's short for saying makeup artist. MUA. Yep, that's it. Yep.
MUA. The MUA stands for make artist.
I did something crazy. I know. Excuse me. So I'm gonna give you, Miss Thing, some gold eyeshadow to go with your African princess look.
I'm going to.
Gold is royalty. Gold is royalty. It means that you are rich. You are rich, rich, rich. I'm going to be using the NK Perfection. It's actually a highlighter. We're going to put a little bit on her eyes. You already know. You don't need me even telling you. You already know what to do. Forget who I'm dealing with. A professional. Her makeup station is better than mine. And more clean. Now we're gonna move to one of my favorite parts, which is the eyebrows.
Yes.
I love eyebrows.
I do that all the time.
What you do?
I'm trying to get a black pencil.
Oh.
And I don't do just a brown pencil. I just do a brown pencil and get them
So you use a pencil to do your brows?
lipstick.
The what? The
Brown
lipsticks.
brown
Okay.
lipstick.
Where are we going in May or June? You know, we're going on a trip. Where are we going?
Florida.
I know. I'm so ready. We're going to go to the water park.
And we're going to go to Disney.
Disney. Yep.
World.
I think you've been there one time when you were little.
Yeah, I was.
Do you remember the?
Yeah. It was a picture.
Oh.
I was 1 year old.
Did you meet Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
And Minnie?
I didn't meet Minnie.
Oh, where was she at?
I don't know.
That darn Minnie Mouse.
No.
She was supposed to be there.
She was somewhere else. With a kid. My favorite food is pizza.
What flavor?
Cheese
Cheese, okay.
and burgers.
Look up. And burgers?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, who cooks at your house? Wait, let me get together.
My dad.
Is he good?
Yeah, he's a very good cooker.
It's called a chef. That's what they call for their, like how a makeup artist is makeup artist, a person that cooks really good. The name's a chef. Look at these brows look fabulous. Now this is gonna be a part where you have to close your eye and put no eyeliner.
And a
Now we're gonna go. Have you ever had eyeliner under your eye?
no.
Okay, this is gonna be a little scary. As long as you stand still, you'll be okay. Look, you gotta look up. I won't poke you, I promise. You gotta just be a little. I know it's crazy.
Tickles.
I know. Let me see. Okay, yep. Do you know what mascara is?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's black and
Where does it go?
it goes in your on your eyelashes.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So it can look very longer.
Mm-hmm. Now I'm gonna do a little highlight first, but before we do a little highlight on the nose. Got a little thin nose sparkly. Let me show you what I did. When you do highlight, it make your nose look like smaller, even though you have a beautiful nose already. See, the little sparkle. So it makes it just a little doop, little dot, little doop, doop. Little like there. Not too much. Do you know what this part is called above your lip?
Mm-hmm.
It's called, what's it called? What is this part called of the lip?
It's a little brush down.
No, I was asking what the lip part called. You know what it's called? This right here, this part of the lip is called a cupid bow.
I know what it is now.
You can know now, but you didn't know before. I'm letting you know. It's called a cupid bow. That's what
Cupid bow?
Cupid bow. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So when makeup artists do their makeup,
Cupid bow?
Yeah. They normally highlight it so it stands out more. Make your lips look like more like a little more full. That's what it does. Let's do your lip, and then we'll connect to the designs. You know what it says? Lip liner. You already knew to blot your lip. So I'm going to do some finishing touches, and then we'll be back with the finished product.
We'll be back soon. Bye.
Everybody, I introduced my beautiful African princess LOL niece, Elle Jones Monroe. Ooh, give the camera face. Ooh. Beauty, glam, gorgeousness. She's ready for the world. Hey. So with this world of corona and craziness, the world needs love. What do you want to tell the world to do?
To just let that corona go away. That corona is messing up us.
It is, but if we stick together, we'll be good.
And please wear a mask.
Please wear a mask, definitely. I hope you all enjoyed this beautiful makeover. My niece is already beautiful, but I just made her look extra gorgeousness. And don't forget to
subscribe to our videos.
And do what else? Comment where?
Comment down below.
Everybody out there, remember, stay stay beautiful, and most importantly, stay
blessed.
Hey, bye. Mwah.